Hey everyone, if you're seeing trigger errors in Zapier, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix the most common trigger issues so your automations can run smoothly again. First, sign in to your Zapier account and open the Zap that's showing the trigger error. Review the trigger step to identify where the problem is occurring. Next, make sure the trigger app is still connected properly. If the connection has expired or become invalid, reconnect your account and authorize Zapier again. Now test the trigger to verify that Zapier can detect new data from the connected app. If no sample data appears, create a new record or perform the trigger action in the source app, then test again. It's also important to confirm that you've selected the correct trigger event and that the right account, folder, spreadsheet, form, or other resource is connected. After that, check whether the trigger app has any filters, permissions, or settings that could prevent Zapier from accessing new data. Update them if necessary and run another test. So if the trigger still isn't working, open your Zap history to review the error details. The message often explains whether the issue is related to authentication, missing data, or an app-specific problem. Finally, save your changes, publish the Zap again, and perform a fresh trigger event to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. Yeah, these steps fix most Zapier trigger errors and help keep your automations running without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.